Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Perform a 24-hour patch test on your inner forearm before first use to check sensitivity. Cleanse thoroughly with a gentle cleanser, then tone or splash with water and leave skin slightly damp. Dispense 2 pumps of the Only Way hyaluronic acid mask and work into damp hands. Applying to damp skin improves absorption. Apply within 5 minutes of dampening the skin. Avoid active exfoliants immediately before application to reduce irritation, and do not use on broken skin. Apply a thin, even layer about 1/4 of a millimeter thick to face and neck, avoiding eyelids and lips. Use gentle, outward strokes and then press the mask into the skin for 30 seconds to encourage hyaluronic acid penetration. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes. Longer contact time beyond 15 minutes gives diminishing returns and can attract surface moisture away if skin begins to dry. If you feel tingling or burning, remove immediately and rinse with cool water. Rinse gently with lukewarm water after 15 minutes and pat skin dry with a soft towel. Do not scrub. Immediately follow with a moisturizer to seal hyaluronic acid hydration and apply SPF during daytime. Use the Only Way hyaluronic acid mask 2 to 3 times per week for maintenance, reducing frequency if irritation occurs. Store the product below 25 degrees C, away from direct sunlight, and keep the cap closed to preserve potency. If redness or prolonged irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.